Hey guys, welcome to another Vehicle Visionary tutorial on the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. Today I'm going to show you how to use the wireless charging pad if your Suburban is equipped. This is the Premier Edition we're looking at today. So here is your wireless charging pad. As you can see, it's just right down here beneath your dual zone climate controls and your cup holders. And all you have to do is take your phone and just set it in place. And it may not seem like it's going to do anything immediately, but as you can see, it takes a few seconds. Now it's charging and you're good to go. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, on this Suburban, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And remember, when I get to 25,000 subscribers, one of you is going to win a gift card to Amazon for $250. And if you want to see a full review on this particular Suburban, check out the end screen of this video. I appreciate your time, guys, and look forward to seeing you next time.